Today we have the 2015 Audi RS3. This vehicle has done just under 71,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access media, radio, tone, navigation, smartphone integration and our vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking aid, front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.